Hello everyone, good day. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. It's me, Louis Corpuz. Today we're just gonna go to Sunshine Grocery. We're gonna do a little grocery shopping. My son's milk. And let's just walk around Baguio City. Let's see. We're also gonna pass by Ukay. Let's see for different interesting used things. So let's go. Follow me. Join me. Have a blessed day, everyone. Let's go. We are now here in Baguio City Market. So we are now here in Block 3. It's the Ukay. Let's go look for some nice used things. Let's go.
Bigay na kanutori man, 1.5 lang.
Hello everyone, me Louis Corpuz. We are here in Baguio City Market. We already did this their brand. So let's keep walking. Let's go check out some Ukay again. So hello everyone. Climbing this steep hill in Upper Market. We're going up there again and we're gonna be home. So thank you for joining me. More blessings to all of us.